In today's video, I will tell you where you can get a 90 days free trial of Clickfunnels 2.0 and also give you my Clickfunnels 2.0's high converting sales funnel templates for free. Basically, we sell these templates for $197, but in this video, you will get free access. For these templates, you can check the link in the description of this video. So if you visit the Clickfunnels website, you'll see that they basically provide a 14-day free trial. But if you want to get the 90-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0, then you will have to join the One Funnel Away Challenge. Recently, Clickfunnels relaunched its One Funnel Away Challenge. Clickfunnels has been running this challenge for the past 2 or 3 years, and more than 100,000 people have gone through this challenge. So basically, Clickfunnels has relaunched this challenge, and along with it, Clickfunnels has introduced an amazing opportunity. Clickfunnels has never done this before. So, if you join the One Funnel Away Challenge, you will get a 90-day free trial of Clickfunnels. So here you can see what you'll get in the One Funnel Away Challenge. The cost of the One Funnel Away Challenge is $100. And with this, you will get a 90-day free trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. In addition, you will get complete training for the One Funnel Away Challenge, along with weekly live sessions with Russell Brunson and the team. You will see some cool things and also some other bonuses. So if you click on this button, you will come to this page where you can join the One Funnel Away Challenge for $100. And here you will get to see the Clickfunnels 90 days free trial.